Today, I will show you how to transfer your balance from your SBI Securities account directly into your Japanese bank account. If you are new to investing with SBI Securities, make sure to subscribe and support this channel because I have many more tutorials planned for you. If you have any questions at any point, feel free to drop a comment below. Let us get started. First, you need to head over to the SBI Securities homepage and log in using your user credentials. Sometimes the platform will prompt you for a security verification code to ensure your account is safe. Once you are logged in, navigate to the main menu and look for the section labeled Withdrawal. Tap on this option to proceed. On the next screen, you will see your total withdrawable balance. For example, my current withdrawable balance is 22,016 yen, which is the exact amount I can transfer today. My bank account is already linked, so the funds will go directly there. If you need to change your linked bank details, you can easily modify your account settings right from this page. To withdraw your money, simply type in the amount you wish to transfer. You can also choose to withdraw your entire balance by entering the full amount. After entering the transfer amount, look below to check the transaction details. You will see that the withdrawal fee is 0 yen, meaning this transfer is completely free of charge. Next, you will need to enter your transaction password. Keep in mind that this is different from your regular login password and was set up when you first opened your account. Once you enter your transaction password, tap the blue button at the bottom that says Confirm Withdrawal Request. The system will then ask you to review your request, double-check your bank name, account details, the transfer amount, and the scheduled transfer date. For instance, my scheduled transfer date is the 15th, and since today is the 13th, the process will take 2 days. The transaction fee remains completely free. Now you will receive another verification code sent to your email. Enter this code to verify your identity. After typing in the verification code, tap the final withdrawal button at the bottom. You will see a confirmation screen indicating that your request has been successfully received. The setup is now complete, and the funds will be deposited into your bank account on the scheduled date. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more useful guides. See you in the next video.